think you have a high-pitched chick. I don't know, not that high. Have you heard a chip like Alvin the Chipmunk?
Yeah, okay, so maybe I don't.
You don't at all.
I don't sound like him.
No.
It's not New York City. Are you serious?
Yeah. Well, we found him on the website. Together and 2 months for free. Yeah. It's the usual. Kind of accidentally became my full time, and so 10 years. I've been doing it for 10 years since I was. However, she loves. Like, you already know what they're gonna say next, right? And that was Kendrick. Like, Kendrick knew what Drake was gonna rap next about, and
So
like.
you think that he didn't do it?
Yes, because when you do end up brushing it, I think like it is happening, but at the same time, it's not. It's not.
Do you have like a favorite cutout steak?
Go look at the house. The management home.
How's the turtle thing doing for you?
You still doing it? Twitter King came out with a tweet that says we don't snitch. And I'm dead. Huh? I know, I'm like, so at least it's a good view. Brian said that, and I was like, holy shit, you're right. Because one of my aunts does look like Voldemort, but he's more strict.
Yeah. Like if I need a good laugh,